There's obviously people working. It's a small manufacturing facility. Listen, you don't have the storage to put things everywhere, so every inch of this facility is being used right now. But all right, here we are. We're on the first floor. Yep. Obviously, where's the countertops? That's what we were talking about.
Countertops we're waiting for an estimate. As we get more full-time folks, a lot of these things where we'll have a lot of, some gaps in the schedule are going to go away. Frankly, the core module team has had to get in here and get our hands dirty. I've been hanging some drywall, I've been fixing this and fixing that, and hopefully a lot of that goes away. But I think our efficiency is only going to go up. But yeah, we got these cabinets in earlier in the week, and then we're getting them templated and waiting for that to happen. So, but yeah, you can tell how far along we are in getting these finished. So. Looks like, from what I can tell, we got a window already trimmed out there, working on another one there, and then we're gonna, quickly move to
beautiful. They're beautiful casement windows, which I think is great. We got full plywood cabinets. You can see the plywood is awesome. That's all hung. Really, it looks like you just have to fit out for, like you said, the rest of the trim and the outlets.
Yep. So we got to do our high pot test early next week to kind of make sure that we didn't ding anything when we're installing our trims.
So this is going to go on a Superior Walls foundation. For those of you who don't know what that is, maybe you're out west or somewhere where they don't have them. It's a pre-cast fabricated wall system that is 5,000 PSI concrete. It's already insulated. They call it the driest system out there. It sits on a bed of 3/8 inch pea stone and 3/4 inch crushed stone in the center. The idea is water's constantly moving away from the foundation. There's no footers stopping it or blocking it. Everything is a drain, and footers sit on stone as well, in the dirt. It's an awesome concept. It's been around for a long time. If you don't know what they are, and they don't support us or any of that stuff, but I do love their product. Perfect for off-site construction because they are square, they are level, you can't beat them.
And they're built off-site as well, right? We set 3 foundations in a day for our black sheet project. Yeah, we love using it. It's quick, we don't have to worry about weather as much, right? So there's a lot of benefits to that, so they certainly align with what we're doing.
So I've sat in so many meetings and that comes up, and I said, all right, every bridge you drive on is built off-site. So you're gonna say the wall can't carry a house or mason. Well, I'm willing to have that conversation any day, but just remember that. Pretty much every bridge, every road, every building that is masonry is built off-site and installed on-site. So very cool. So full basement?
Yeah, we'll have a full basement.
Finished?
Will not be finished.
Not be finished, but they could finish in the future if they want.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Back to the zero energy ready, we'll have an ERV here, a spot ERV here, and a spot ERV in the second floor. And then
why don't you explain to everybody who doesn't understand what that means? Energy Recovery Ventilators.
We're building a very tight home, and I think part of being able to build in the factory, I think, allows us to build an even tighter home. That's our theory. And we're just paying special attention to how, the insulation, how we're sealing it, and that's very important to us.
Yeah.
What that means is we actually have to be bringing in air from the outside in order to do that, because we don't have any have fewer leaks, and so that's what the ERV does. So Energy Recovery Ventilator is bringing in that fresh air. So some call it the lungs of the house.
It is the lungs of the house, and like they say, build it right, you gotta build it tight. If you want true energy efficiency, it is not about the materials all the time, it's really about the attention to detail and making sure that you are not leaving holes in any of the exterior, and you're really paying attention and using true craftsmanship to close up the home. You're not just gonna open a window to let fresh air in. It's very energy efficient, and it'll circulate the air so many times per minute or per hour, depending on how you're looking at the home. But that's what's going to give them very low energy bills.
This is for developers doing affordable housing projects, right? So we love working with folks for that, like that. And most people walk in here, they're like, this does not feel like an affordable product. And so that's important to us. We really care about that.
It's awesome that you're already thinking about expanding. You're already thinking about the future production capabilities and what you can do. And we're gonna go look at some of your houses.
Yeah, and part of the reason that we wanna tell this story is we're looking for people to join our team. So, looking for a production manager. Core module team has really has stepped in to do that and manage the production of this process. But we're really looking for someone who their mind just thinks in manufacturing and thinks in construction, who can really work with the folks to build the product that we are obsessed with and love, to hold the schedules and things like that. So we're looking for that to fill that role actively right now. So if you're interested, we'd love to have you in Carnegie, in Pittsburgh, and to join the module team.
Listen, If you want to work for a construction company that doesn't do it the way it's always been done, is always trying to improve, will listen to your ideas, and truly make you part of a team that's growing, this is where you want to be, this is the future, this isn't old school how we've always done it, we're changing the way we build, Modul's changing the way we build, so that's what I have to say. If you want to actually be in this industry and you want to be on somebody that's taking it to the next level and has a lot of growth ahead of them, this is it.
Cool.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you.
There you have it. Factory tour Module in Pittsburgh. Last Mile Factory. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.